Can you get rid of snoring? Well, here's the thing. If you snore, let's say somebody sleeps 8 hours a night and they snore for 6 hours at a certain level, about 40 decibels, and that's common snoring loudness. If you reduce it by 70%, you're still snoring at the same loudness, but you'll snore much less minutes in the night. And it might not be practical for everybody to expect to get rid of snoring entirely every night, but you should be able to expect to get it markedly reduced. And the loudness won't go down, just the number of minutes a night you snore will be reduced. Treatment probably lasts 2 to 3 years, so it might be something you keep the app on hand and check it every year or so. If it starts creeping back up, you might want to do a tune-up by just doing one additional treatment.